Sweet. This is a cake knife which I've made out of one solid piece. The wood is tulip and it's got 2 inlays of oak. Like I say, made out of one solid piece. Cut the handle from a bandsaw, the blade from a bandsaw, then just put the edge on with a block plane, and also just sanding block to put the cutting edge on, then just axed. So the only piece of machinery really was the bandsaw which to cut it, but to be honest you could do with a saw. You could make the handles separate. The inlays I put in with an hacksaw and just used an axe, glued them in, then used an hacksaw to cut them all off, just to go show you that you can actually just use hand tools. You don't need expensive ones. I mean, I cut the inlays with a junior hacksaw. I mean, the only piece of machinery I used is the bandsaw. Now just to cut down the width, but you can do that with a normal handsaw, or like I say, get a piece of wood thin enough, then add stock for the handle. Yeah, so this, we're going to treat it now with a food, because it's going to be used for food, so it needs to be oiled with food safety oil a few times. So we'll just give it a few coats and let it dry between coats, not quarts. So yeah, pretty lovely. Pretty lovely knife for cakes and that. I mean, you don't need out. Let's say it's my wife, she asked for one, and why not make one? So that's some tulip. We'll give it a couple more coats. The oak's showing up a little bit more, and it also goes to show you what you can use with, you can do it with hand tools, anything like that. It's not a major problem getting around stuff. And I made some sanding sticks which I'll put in another video, which to put the blade on, I used the offcut and also used sanding sticks to get the edge, to get the cutting edge. Don't know if you can see that. So yep, so I'll show you in another video how to just make out of a piece of sandpaper and a bit of stick, how to make some sanding sticks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. It's really great that I'm getting really nice positive feedback from a lot of people. I'm getting new watchers and all that, and thank you ever so much. Much love to all of you, and I'll see you on the next one, and we'll show cutting a cake. Bye.